What's up, gang gang? What's up, gang gang? It's your boy Brock back with another bang gang. Play no games. I ain't play no games. I'm about to be getting a little watty with spraying fart spray or deodorant. I'm about to be spraying fart spray deodorant. It is what it is, gang gang. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash that notification bell if you haven't already. Smash that notification bell. Make it go ring, ding, dong. Hey, ring a ding, 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 dong. Smash that notification bell, please, so you get the notification when we drop new videos, gang, gang. Post notification, gang. Post notification shout outs go to Rosa, Ayola, FK with it, Jordan Briggs, Ellie, Shanae, Joni Perkins, and Chelsea. Hey, Chelsea, thank you for all of the super chats. Chelsea, thank you so much. We really appreciate you. And thank y'all so much for turning up in the comments. We love you guys so much. And if anybody wants to shout out any of our videos, make sure you hashtag post notification, gang, down in the comments. And hey, post notification bell turned on, gang, gang. Now look, Wifey said she gotta take a shower. So I hopped in our shower. I made her go hop in the other shower. I hopped in our shower first. But I really wasn't taking a shower, man. I'm walking around stinky today. It is what it is. I'm just playing. Tasha gonna be the one walking around stinky today, smelling like doo-doo. So I told her to go in there. She got them deodorant in there. She in there taking a shower. I'm about to spray the fart spray in the deodorant, gang, gang. And this that liquid booty. You already know this. Stain. Oh. Let's hurry up and cover that up. Yeah. I'm gonna spray a little air freshener in here so she wants better when she come in, gang. I'm about to turn on the air too. It is what it is. As soon as Tasha put that on, I'm gonna be in the car waiting for her. We gonna get straight into it. Let's do this thing.
Swinging that body, tell me you don't stop me. You ain't gonna stop me. Ooh, God damn! You stink.
Oh, wati. She didn't look like a wati.
Nick,
What?
you blew that motherfucking bathroom.
How you gonna say I blew the bathroom
It's
up?
stuck in my fucking nose.
It's stuck in your nostrils?
It's stuck in my nose.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brushed my teeth.
Whatever. God damn.
Damn, it won't go. Is it on you?
Oh, what? Oh, wait, hold on.
That shit is stuck in my
Why you smelling like
nostrils
sweet
here.
doo-doo?
You stink.
Tasha, why you smell like sweet doo-doo? I smell perfume, man. You farted or
Because
something?
I put perfume on.
I told you
Nigga,
I be
tried
on
to
that
spray-
goddamn soft serve ice cream.
like
The
soft
bubbled
serve.
your damn stomach up.
I didn't even just boo-boo right now. Nigga, I walked in the bathroom, put a little perfume, lip gloss, and deodorant on.
Well, did you wash the cooter? Something on that motherfucker smelling, huh?
I don't stink.
I ain't saying the cooter smell like
That's
that.
your
Oh,
following you. It's stuck in my
my
nose.
shit followed me all the way out to the car. I wiped my ass.
You stink.
Tasha.
Why you smell like that?
Tasha, I wiped my ass.
Oh my God.
I wiped my ass. I don't know what you talking about. I wiped my whole ass.
And why it seems like it's getting worse? Why it's getting worse?
What?
Gotta be spitting and shit. That
I'm
shit stank.
Hold on. Oh, hold on. What the fuck is that?
It's making my head hurt from scrunching. Okay, relax. Relax your face.
Woo!
Relax your face.
You stink like a motherfucker, Tasha.
That shit, you humping.
How you gonna say I'm humping?
That, because, oh,
Damn, hold up.
you
Stop.
smell it?
Stop playing.
I'm telling you, it's like
I'll
it's
suck
in
your
white.
ass. I'll
Do you
suck
have
your
shit in
ass.
your pants? Brock, I don't think you wiped
Oh, that
all
shit
the way.
real.
I don't think you wiped all the way.
That shit real.
I don't think you wiped all the way.
Tasha, I wipe my ass. Don't come and play that shit on me. I wipe my whole ass.
You got some diarrhea.
Nah, nigga, nah, nigga,
You got some
nah.
shit in your underwear, nigga. It smelled just like the bathroom smelled.
No.
It smelled just like the motherfucking bathroom.
How you gonna tell me?
You shitting on yourself. It's shit in your pants.
Hell no. Oh!
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 Why is it getting worse?
God! Cause you keep raising your arm. What the hell is that? No, hell no! Tasha. Damn.
Why the fuck would my armpit smell like shit? That's a shit stench, not a musty stench, nigga.
Tasha, you put what the fuck you been doing?
Throw up.
You was swimming in a pool of shit.
No, but for real, babe, I think you got shit in your undies.
Tasha, you took a diarrhea jacuzzi bath or something, nigga. What's wrong with you?
You always trying to blame it on me, nigga.
That
I
shit
went in
stink.
the bathroom after you, Brock. I smelled you.
Oh,
I'm not gonna look at you different. You stink like a motherfucker.
Roll one
You
over the
stink.
How?
You stink real bad.
How you gonna say I stink?
I can't think.
You can't think. Well, you may not can't think, but you can stink. Cause your ass stink like a motherfucker. That is not me. Look, smell my ass. Smell delicious. A little bit. But what I'm saying is,
You stink.
smell you. Something on you stink. Something, I swear to God, something on you stink. Something on,
It's just like the wind.
Stop waving your damn arm.
That's what I'm saying. The wind.
Tasha, stop waving your arm. Clench them motherfuckers tight. Something comes from, I don't know if that TT sweat or something. You got some mildew TT sweat or something up under that mama. Tasha, oh! Ooh! You smell like you just ran a goddamn marathon or something right this motherfucker. And then shitted on yourself. Right at the goddamn finish line.
I'm gonna throw up.
Stop waving your arms and trying to tell your ass. Do this. Do this.
Brock.
Do this. Oh, hell no. You smell sweet. What you spray on? You gonna shit on yourself?
Marc Jacobs. Yeah, because Marc Jacobs and your shit don't mix together.
No, you gonna shit on
That's
yourself
what
and then
it
spray
is.
some Marc Jacobs on?
So I shit on my Brock. You used our bathroom. I went in the other bathroom. When I came in our restroom, it smelled like straight shit. You shitted in our restroom, and that's what it smelled like.
But this ain't we in the restroom right now. You smell like shit now. You sprayed on the Marc Jacobs shit collection.
I didn't shit, though.
You sprayed on the
didn't
Marc
shit,
Jacobs
though.
shit collection.
What I'm saying is you have shit in your underwear. You sharted. Something's wrong.
Nah, niggas make cologne with they shit with they own shit or something. Smell that shit.
It's making me itch.
Oh, no, something wrong.
Oh.
Something wrong.
Why does it keep coming out of nowhere?
Smell that!
God damn.
Smell that!
Oh, what's
Smell
that?
that! I told your ass! What's wrong with you? You stink like a motherfucker! God damn!
I smell like that.
The hell you wrong with you?
Why does it smell like
Tasha,
that?
you had a turd in the headlock? You had a turd in the headlock?
That ain't normal.
God damn!
That ain't a normal smell for under your arms.
Close it, mother! Clench your arms, nigga!
There gotta be some kind of infection.
Oh, clench your arms! Clench your arms, nigga! Clench your arms!
Something
God
right.
damn!
Something right, babe.
Ooh.
Something right. Well, I smell like that.
Your ass ain't getting out to get the baby. You embarrassing in the motherfucker. You shot it on yourself, Tasha.
No. When if I did shout on myself, it wouldn't be under my motherfucking arm.
Why is you seeping out shit through your goddamn arm pores? Why you seeping out shit through your arm pores?
It's so strong.
No, you stink. You can't stop driving. Drive like this. You stretching out that shit, you let it out.
I don't know what to do. I'm not supposed to smell like this. I am a delicate flower, nigga.
You were. Now you a doodle flower. You a doodle flower now.
I can't take it.
Hell no, Tasha. Tasha, what the fuck, bro? What you got going on? I told you I started eating some more fruit. You need to eat some more watermelon, pineapples, and peaches and shit. Stop raising them motherfuckers, man.
I just gotta make sure. That's not normal.
It's serious. Stop moving.
Okay, you gonna have to get. I'm not getting out to get the baby.
That's what I told your ass. You embarrassed to the shit. You got the Kobe Bryant on smelling like shit.
Look, I can't drive with my arms like this, bro.
Tasha, you got the Kobe Bryant on smelling like shit. The hell wrong with you?
Okay, shut up. Stop talking about it. People hear you and shit, man.
Roll your window up, because that shit, the wind coming straight through that motherfucker, smacking the fuck out of nigga. God damn.
What do you think? What the fuck? Why?
What?
Why the fuck do my underarms smell like shit?
Cause your ass only shower once a week and you be up doing work and shit all goddamn day. Take a damn shower.
My underarms wouldn't smell like shit, Brock.
Tasha. Goddamn. Your underarms smell like they homeless. I'm not saying you but goddamn. They smell like you allergic to water or something. What the fuck is that going on? Tasha, why would you do that dumb ass shit?
I'm allergic to water.
Why would you come out smelling like that though?
That's gross.
Oh, shit.
That shit is funky.
Funky.
Why it smell like that?
Why you smell like that is a damn question.
I'm trying to keep my arms closed.
Shit. Why you smell like that? Try to keep your arm closed. You need to keep your ass closed. Tasha, what the hell you doing? Was you rubbing shit on your arm?
You getting out to get the baby. I can't do this. Stir up the
No,
air.
you need to get out. You need to get out, stand out. Get out, stand out. Get out, air out. No, hell no, don't do that.
God damn.
Why would you do that stupid shit? You stupid motherfucker.
Run the windows down.
Stand out the motherfucking car. Stand outside. Stand outside. Get out, stand outside. Why would you do that dumb ass shit? You gonna blow that shit around the fucking car? What the hell wrong with you? No. You can get some. Hey, I'm gonna put your ass in the trunk. I'm gonna put your ass in the trunk. You don't want the baby smelling your ass like that.
Watch out.
Stop. You gonna stretch. Oh! Don't stretch. Don't stretch. Stay right there. 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 Stop. Keep them arms down, nigga. Woo! Keep them arms down. What the fuck? I think it. What's wrong with you?
That shit is funky. Oh my god. That is funky.
Stop playing.
Woo! We ain't going to the car.
Huh?
I gotta go back home and take another shower. Why the fuck?
You got me drooling the doodle watches. Damn. No, your ass is. Why would you go to Target? You need to go home and fucking soak in some bleach or something.
I just said. I said I'm not going no motherfucking where. I'm finna go back home and get back in the shower and call the doctor.
You need some
this ain't
rosemary.
motherfucking normal.
No, you need some rosemary, some lavender, Epsom salt, bud bath, cause you know I took a shit bath or something. Woo! Goddamn!
So you just ain't gonna make it no better.
Tasha, we need to get extra.
You just ain't gonna make it no better.
I'm just saying.
You ain't gonna love on me like you supposed to, like I'm the queen that you love.
Let me just
You
say.
just gonna tell me I'm funky?
We gonna need to start getting extra toilet tissue for your goddamn underarms. That shit's ridiculous. God, you need to start instead of wipe your ass and your underarms. God damn. Ooh. Ooh. You little nasty motherfucker. Oh. Hey, you made me lost my damn bone.
Let me get that rag back.
Hell no.
Let me get it back.
That shit stink. Move. Here. There you go. Stop playing with me. Okay. Let me tell you the truth. What happened.
What?
Let me grab this one. I'll tell you the truth.
Oh, shit. Give me this.
No, let me
give
get
it back.
this.
I'm trying to put it under my arm.
I'm trying to tell you what happened.
Come on.
I put some fart spray in your deodorant. That's why you walk around smelling like fucking mildew and shit. Bison doo-doo and shit. You fucking stink. God.
Why
Why would you?
Did you do that?
No, why the fuck you gonna spray that perfume on top of that shit? That shit made it worse. You sweet doo-doo smelling motherfucker. Ooh. Stop playing with the Stop! You gonna put the sweet doo in my goddamn mouth!
Nasty motherfucker. That's gross as fuck, Brock. I'm going home. And as a matter of fact, you ain't gotta worry about me going to run the errands. You and those gonna go run them motherfuckers. I'm gonna go back home, get me back in. I'm actually gonna take a bath this time. I'm gonna take me a
goddamn fart spray
bath because y'all ain't there to bother a bit. And I'm enjoying my motherfucking day. I ain't doing shit else.
Look at I lost the damn fart spray. I fart that spray that shit in your damn mouth. Something need to see it. I can't get it. I spray that. You gonna put that shit in my damn mouth? You laughing here, but you smell like shit. You smell like shit.
Okay. You got me. You got it.
My mouth smells normal now.
You got it.
My mouth tastes normal now.
You got this one.
My mouth tastes normal now after this shit.
You ain't right.
You got nipples too, nigga. The fuck wrong with you? Yeah. Pinch my shit, I'm gonna pinch your shit, nigga. It's 2024.
You getting out of hand.
It's 2024.
No, you getting out of motherfucking hand.
It's 2024. I got 2 fingers too. You don't even like your ass.